holiday, what do you pack? So some tips of things to consider when you're packing your case for yourself or for your child. Take things that are familiar to you, take things that you feel comfortable in and you can relax in. So loungewear, a hoodie, some trousers, some comfy shoes, something which you know you've got in your suitcase and you can go to for that comfort. Regardless of what weather you're going to, make sure that you take some clothing which you feel really relaxed in. Otherwise, think about taking a hat, think about taking sunglasses, especially if you're going somewhere sunny. If you're going somewhere cold, make sure you take layers so it doesn't have to be thick, bulky things which then feel really heavy on your body. Think about having thinner layers, so exercise clothing can be really good because it's just a thin base layer and you can build that up and keep yourself warm. Other things to consider are leisure items. So think about headphones, think about smells. So, you know, what perfume do you want to take? What things help you to feel relaxed, whatever environment you're in? Is there a particular toy which someone really likes the smell of, or something that's yours? So mum's, a scarf that can help someone settle at bedtime. Think about the person's sensory needs and think about taking things with you that will support each of those sensory systems. So when you're away, do exercise, go out for a walk, get that vestibular input going and proprioceptive input in. Think about smells. Do you take smells with you? Then you can give a seeker that smell, that olfactory input if they're requiring it when they're away, but likewise you can also use that comforting smell, so something familiar to you, to help to regulate out overwhelming smells. Think about sound, think about music, think about headphones, and then visually think about hats and sunglasses, but also something which maybe engages you, so some puzzles or videos or something which you can visually engage with. And then for tactile, if you're going somewhere hot, think about sun cream. There's different ways that you can apply sun cream that feel very different on our skin. Think about the clothing. How can you support your own or your child's tactile sensitivities through the clothes that you take away with you as well?